When comparing MailerLite versus GetResponse for email automation, it's easy to get lost in the features and promises each platform offers. Both have strong reputations, but which one truly stands out for your business? Stick around, because I'll break down the most important points, give you my take on the strengths and weaknesses, and share a surprise recommendation at the end that you might not expect. First, let's talk about the ease of use. MailerLite shines when it comes to simplicity and user friendliness. If you're just starting out or want something that doesn't overwhelm you, this platform is a solid choice. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed for quick setup. It's clear that MailerLite is built with beginners in mind. However, that simplicity means you may find it lacking in advanced features. On the other hand, GetResponse is known for being a powerhouse when it comes to email automation. It offers a bit more complexity, but that complexity comes with more powerful tools. Whether it's the advanced workflow automation or the ability to segment your audience in a way that MailerLite can't quite match, GetResponse appeals to those who need more customization options. The learning curve is steeper, but once you get the hang of it, the flexibility is huge. Next thing, let's dive into pricing. MailerLite is generally more affordable for smaller businesses or those with modest email marketing needs. The free plan is particularly attractive, giving you the ability to send 12,000 emails a month to up to 1,000 subscribers. Once you move past that, it still remains budget-friendly. But as you scale up, you might find some of its features lacking compared to GetResponse, which brings us to the next point. GetResponse offers a higher starting price, but the value comes through in the features it packs. With GetResponse, you're getting more than just email automation. It includes a built-in CRM, webinar hosting, and advanced analytics, all at a price that's reasonable for what you get. However, it's worth noting that those features might not be necessary for everyone. If you're a small business just starting out, you might feel that you're paying for things you don't yet need. The fourth thing to consider is deliverability. Both platforms perform well, but GetResponse edges out MailerLite here with slightly better inbox placement. Email marketing is all about getting your message into your audience's inbox, not the spam folder, and GetResponse has a long-standing reputation for this. Another important factor to mention is customer support. Here, MailerLite holds its own with a responsive support team and a solid help center. It doesn't offer phone support, but email and live chat are pretty good for troubleshooting. GetResponse, however, does provide phone support as well as email and chat. While both platforms have support options, GetResponse's live chat is a bit quicker and more in-depth, which is great when you're stuck on an important campaign. Now, let's talk about features that push these platforms into different territories. MailerLite offers good email templates and a solid landing page builder. But GetResponse takes it a step further with a more robust landing page creator, plus webinar integration. If you're planning on running webinars, GetResponse is definitely the way to go. But here's the twist. Both MailerLite and GetResponse are solid options depending on your needs. However, after trying both, I found a better alternative for those looking for an overall email automation experience that combines ease of use, powerful features, and affordability without any of the limitations. If you want a platform that balances everything perfectly with a solid free trial that's exclusive to our viewers, check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best deal and an amazing free trial just for tuning in.